Now, the laziest way you guys can make money in 2026, especially as a Muslim, A to Z, I'm gonna go through the whole plan, everything you need to know. You work your job, spend time with your family, nothing will change. Something I've done, by the way, and I spent 30 minutes a week right now doing and running this business model, and thankfully we make more than £100,000 in a month. But don't just take my word for it, because this guy made a ton of money last month, and here's the proof, showing you exactly how much money he made. Now, I don't want to just show you a ton of proof, because I want to show you the processes. So let's get into it. What do you need to do, and how are you going to make money? Well, the one thing where companies really need, the one thing companies absolutely need, businesses are looking for more business, clients, sales, etc., etc. But if they don't have the right people within the business, they're not going to make money. Let me explain. Let's say this is a company. They've got salespeople, they've got marketing people, they've got admin, they've got a payroll team. Now, obviously, businesses and companies have more than these 4 departments, right? But in the sales side, let's say there are 10 people. In the marketing side, there's 5 people. In admin, there's another 5. And in payroll, there's another 5. That means in total, there are 25 employees. And you're thinking, yeah, what's the point? Let me get to the point and hear this out. This is super important, right? One employee on average for this business, let's say, is making £3,500. Obviously in sales, some guys will get paid more. In marketing, some guys might get paid less. The point here being is £3,500 is the average a employee might be getting paid. So they've got 25 employees. Now, between you and I, is that a lot of people? Like, is this a company which has tons of people? You know, is this a massive business? The answer is no. Like in your local town where you're based right now, there's probably 100 of these companies with 25 employees. And so now this one company that is paying £3,500 with 25 employees is doing, I think this is right, £87,500. £87,500, this is their payroll. Is it fair to say if that's their payroll, they must be making more than £87,500? Obviously, this business is making £150,000, £200,000 a month. And so you guys need to focus on where are you going to make money? Where is it going to be easy for you to make £4,000, £5,000, £6,000? Right, okay. You're working a job, you're doing your thing, you don't want to work hard. You don't want to do a ton of work. And this is where I've got you. Because what you're going to do is hire someone in Pakistan. It could be Pakistan, India, Philippines, it doesn't really matter. You're going to pay them between £200 to £300 basic salary, and then you're going to give them commission on top, okay? And trust me when I say I hire a lot of people in Pakistan. In fact, there's a little clip of my office in Pakistan. This is something I do. So I'm sharing things that work for me, but also I know will work for you as well. £200-300 is what you're going to pay them. I'm sure many of you guys can, put that to a side, especially if you know you're going to be able to make a lot of money. By the way, one of my employees in Pakistan just last month, he got paid £300 and he made £20,000 for me. And I'll tell you exactly how he made that £20,000. And so what you're going to do is hire someone, £200-300. You're going to then ask them to do sales. They will also do some admin for you, and I will explain exactly what you're going to ask them to do. And I'll tell you the script. I'll tell you, don't worry. All right, just bear with me. So you're going to get them to do sales. Let's say you're going to get them to do 100 calls to businesses every single day. And then there is some other admin stuff which I will go through. And let me tell you exactly what I need you to tell that person to do. You could practically share this video with them and you'll make a ton of money, right? Now, you probably want to know, how do I actually find the people in Pakistan? How do I make sure they're good? Look, I'll tell you, focus on a couple of things. Make sure to go back and rewatch what exactly I'm telling you, because these things are important, right? Pay them good, and a £300 to £400 wage on a base salary is very good. £200, you're going to struggle getting good people. If you can't afford it and you want to pay them £200, it is what it is. Having said that, you can also do something where you say, you know what, I'm going to hire 10 employees. Instead of hiring one person for the month, I'm going to hire 10 employees. Let's say they get paid £250, and therefore that is going to cost you £2,500. However, you might say, you know what, instead of that, let me divide it by 4 weeks. Let me get them on a trial period for 4 weeks. So you would divide £2,500 by 4, meaning £625. And so actually you can get 10 employees for £625 for a week, right? And I'll tell you the exact script that you need to get them to use. And trust me, you'll pick up a ton of business if they do this. 10 employees will cost £625 for a week. And then guess what? You turn around to them and say, well, actually, I will hire the best 1 or 2 people. So if you can prove your way, then great, I'll hire you. And if not, no problem. And that way you protect your investment and you get the best of the best. Now, what business are they going to start for you to make you a lot of money? The best one, and honestly, it's something that I've done, it's made me a ton of money, it's recruitment, right? What does that mean? You get a candidate, the candidate gets paid, let's say 50K a year, you charge 15%, and therefore you make £7,500 as a fee if this person gets the job successfully. If they successfully get the job, that is how much money you're going to make. So you need to find a business that is looking for someone, and it could be engineers, accountant, healthcare, it doesn't matter, right? There are tons of jobs where you can go to business and say, who do you need right now? They will tell you and they will pay you £7,500. Why? This might sound like a lot of money to you right now, but what did I tell you? They make 150, 200,000 pounds a month. If you can help them find someone amazing, they'll pay you £7,500. That's normal. It's exactly what I do. It's exactly how a ton of people have made a ton of money. And by the way, 6 months in, I was making £20,000 a month running my own recruitment company, but don't take my word for it, because here's my bank statement as proof. This is exactly how much money I was making. Stop and pause and go through them if you need to. Now, so we understand that this employee in Pakistan is going to do, basically start a recruitment company for you, and exactly something that I've done. My guys in Pakistan make a lot of money. And in fact, by the way, listen to this guy who made just under £5,000 last month, and he set up a recruitment company from Pakistan. So give us an idea, like when did you start? Where have you made placements? How much money have you made? Like what are you doing right now? And just tell us.
I have started like my own recruitment company operating from Pakistan 2 months ago. Very minimal investment as well. So I have started working in healthcare sector. In the second week, I believe I have landed upon a placement from a very big group as well. And after that week, I have done another placement as well.
Listen to his accent, listen to what he did, and it just shows that if he can do it with an accent from Pakistan, what is stopping you guys from the UK and the US? And guess what? He's supplying people in the UK, right? The problem here is you guys just haven't been, the door hasn't opened for you guys. You haven't unlocked how to actually start a recruitment company. You don't know, and you don't know much about starting recruitment companies, but you can make tons of money starting and doing this for yourself. So this employee now, he will be targeted in making 100 sales calls a day. He'd be targeted on sending 50 emails a day, and he will also be targeted on having 50 candidate conversations a day. What that basically means is these he would find from LinkedIn. He can also use CV Library, which by the way is a job board, and job boards are where you get candidates. So you get access to a job board, which is a website. It's a data place. You pay for it. You get access to millions and millions of CVs. That's kind of what that is. By the way, we actually teach people how to start their own recruitment company, and we get access to places like CV Library, Total Jobs, which are job boards. We get access for free. We have free trials because we help people start recruitment companies, right? This is not paid, but if you guys are interested in learning how to start a recruitment company, again, this exact model in details, I do a free 3-day session explaining exactly how to start a recruitment company, not for 1 hour, not for 2, but hours and hours of free information, right? Get your details down in the link in the description. A member of the team will reach out. You'll get all the details for the free 3-day event. And I guess you guys can benefit as much as you can. My aim is to give you as much value as I can. So you'll get the candidates from LinkedIn, CV Library. You'll send emails to clients, and you'll make 100 sales calls to businesses, right? What do you need the guy to say? Now, if you're doing all of this, I promise you guys, right? I promise you, see in about 4 to 6 weeks, inshallah, you at least be looking at 1 placement. If you make 1 placement, that is at least £4,500. And I'll tell you exactly what that looks like as well. Now, when you hire that person, you're going to hire them via Indeed. You can put ads out, and by the way, it costs like £5 to £10 to hire someone in Pakistan, so it's not a lot of money, right? I'm talking about Pakistan particularly, and these job descriptions, which I will put up for you guys, are job descriptions that I have used to hire people, and I get hundreds of applications like every couple of days, so you will definitely find someone good. And this person, when he is targeted to do the things that he does, you will also pay him a commission of, let's say, 10, 15 or 20% off a deal. Now, remember I told you guys that I pay someone £300 to £400, but this particular person who made £20,000 for me last month got paid £350. He then got a placement. He got a company on. The company was looking for someone, sent the candidate forward. He then made 15% of that £20,000, right? Which obviously for him is a lot of money. Now I know you guys will be like, some of you guys will be like, well, that's not fair. You know, he should have got paid more money. Businesses in the UK and the US, 15% is actually on the higher end of the commissions that you guys make. So 15% is genuinely a lot of money, and he therefore made a lot of money. So what I would say is you pay them £300-400, you look after them, be good to them, you know, give them the annual leave, whatever you need to do in making sure you look after them, because I'll tell you something, You get loyal people in Pakistan, India, Philippines because you're creating jobs for them and they're willing to go over and beyond for you. And that actually in itself is super powerful. And if you want to know the job description, I'll put it up for you guys. You can copy this, change the words up and put an ad out on Indeed. And trust me, you'll get someone really, really good. Now, bearing in mind, this is one of the laziest businesses you guys can start and the laziest ways you guys can make money because you're working a job, you don't actually want to do it yourself. But if you could just put £200-300 aside, you can actually start and make a lot of money. Again, something that I've done. I've shown you bank statements. I've shown you my offices. Clearly, I do it. Clearly, it works for me. What you're going to do, 100 sales, 50 emails will get you at least like a minimum 3 to 4 clients every single week. Right? And I'm going to put up some messages from our Discord community, giving you an idea of, people picking up jobs. Picking up jobs and getting companies to work with you is not difficult at all. And listen to my manager right now telling you guys exactly the amount of leads that he picks up from Pakistan. Bearing in mind that I have gone over sales training with you guys as well, but what sort of results do you guys end up getting?
It's outbound calling, cold calling, so you never know what to expect. But on average, I would say we get 2 or 3 good interested leads, depending on the clients as well, that we can deliver on a weekly basis. That would be between 5 to 8 good leads.
So he, again, is in Pakistan and my employees are in Pakistan. They do sales calls, they do BD calls. You get an idea of his outbound and his English and his language speaking that, this guy does sound good and he probably could do it. And trust me, they pick up 3 to 4 jobs with clients very, very easily. So now, if you get 3 to 4 clients over 100 sales calls and 50 emails every single day, and therefore that works out to be 500 sales calls, over 2 weeks, you're going to be looking at, let's say, 8 clients. What you would then do is send 2 to 3 CVs to 8 jobs, because these are not only clients, but they're also jobs. Companies will say, yes, we need someone, find a CV and send that person's profile. If that person looks good, we will hire them. That's how you make the £7,500, which I explained previously. So 8 clients, jobs, each you will send 2 to 3 CVs, meaning let's say it's 16 CVs that will be sent out. From these 16 CVs, the idea would be that you arrange 4 to 5 interviews, and then from these 4 to 5 interviews, 1 to 2 people will get the job. Even if we're on the super reserve side, 1 to 2 placements would mean £4,500 as a minimum. Keeping in mind, this would be a 30K salary at 15%, right? That's kind of what that works out to be. So £4,500, and therefore £9,000 is the minimum that you would be looking at this person making for you, right? And these, again, are numbers that people are making, and I'll show you bank statements of other people making a lot of money. And these are bank statements of people that are receiving fees and invoices and making money. Point is, this works. You hire someone, job description, get it out, you get someone in, 1 to 2 people, you pay them £200-300. How would you pay them, by the way? You would use things like tap, send bank transfers, IBAN numbers, pay them in their account. They do the sales calls, they do the candidate CV finding. Any questions, any issues you don't understand, whatever you have, ask me in the comments below. And if you're still like, I do want to learn about this, how can I go and start a recruitment company for myself? Leave your details in the description, a 3-day free masterclass, hours and hours of information where I'll go through everything. Now, this is the exact script you need to tell your agent to say. And if he says this 100 times, you make money, right? And the script is, hey, Mark, the name can change. I have a mechanical engineer currently looking for a new role. I just wanted to catch up and see if this is something that you might be interested in. He's based local to you in wherever they're locally based to them. And if your agent says that exact line 100 times, you'll be shocked. 3 to 4 companies, every 100 calls will actually say they need someone. And following on from the sales side, if the agent was to send emails, make sure the agent is not sending long emails. And actually in that email, it's just one line of, hey, Mark, I've got a mechanical engineer looking for work. He's based local to you, similar stuff. Is this something that you might be interested in? That is the exact email you would send. And obviously mechanical engineer can vary. Recruitment is not subjective to engineers. It could be accounting, healthcare, engineers, production, supply, procurement, HR, sales. It's massive, right? And so guys, I've given you the sales script, I've given you the email script, I've given you the job description, I've shown you people that are making a ton of money doing this stuff already. So hopefully this video was of benefit. Like this video, share with your family and friends. Any questions, let me know in the comments. Barakallahu feek, salamu alaikum.